Hello students, there is a good news for you. Now you can write the same matter at different speeds. Link of the same is given in the description box. Thank you. Start. The tribunal below dismissed the claim petition by holding that there is a serious doubt with regard to the occurrence of the incident. Stop. The tribunal below held that as per medical records of Care Hospital, the claimant was admitted on 16/1/2009 with a history of road traffic accident, but the FIR and the charge sheet show the date of accident as 18/1/2009. Stop. Further, the report was lodged by the Sarpanch of the village on 22/1/2009 stating that the accident occurred on 18/1/2009. Stop. Since there was a serious discrepancy between the date of the accident going by the documents filed and relied upon by the claimant, the tribunal below held that the very genesis of the accident is not proved and thus dismissed the claim petition. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the appellant submitted that the tribunal below could not have dismissed the claim petition since the driver of the crime vehicle pleaded guilty. Stop. As per order dated 4/3/2009, the accused driver was convicted under section 252 CRPC and sentenced to pay fine of ₹1,000 in default to undergo simple imprisonment for 4 weeks for the offence under section 338 IPC. Stop. Learned counsel vehemently submitted that in view of the conviction by plea of guilt, the involvement of the crime vehicle and negligence on the part of the driver also stand proved. As such, the tribunal below grossly erred in doubting the date of the accident and involvement of the crime vehicle in the accident. Stop. Learned counsel further submitted that there is an admission by respondent number 2 in its additional counter about the accident having taken place on 16/1/2009, and in view of such admission there was no necessity for the claimant to prove through any witness the factum of accident and also the discrepancy with regard to the date of the accident. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the respondent number 2 submitted that the appellant was an inpatient in Care Hospital on 16/1/2009. Stop. There was collusion between the driver of the crime vehicle and the claimant, as a result of which the driver pleaded guilty and fine was imposed as per judgment. Stop. It is settled principle of law the judgment of the criminal court is not binding on civil court. Stop. The insured vehicle was planted by the claimant for fraudulently claiming compensation. Stop. The claimant or any of his family member have not lodged complaint immediately on the date of the accident, which is highly unusual. Stop. If it was a medico-legal case as stated by the claimant, the police would have referred him to a government hospital. Stop. The Sarpanch of the village also colluded with the claimant and lodged a complaint on 22/1/2009 by mentioning the date of the accident as 18/1/2009. Stop. However, the date of accident in the claim petition is shown as 16/1/2009. Stop. Para. This court perused the contents of the claim petition counter and additional counter of the respondent number 2 stop. In its counter, the respondent number 2 denied the allegations in the claim petition and did not admit the accident and involvement of the alleged crime vehicle stop. In additional counter, the respondent number 2 specifically asserted that as per the MLC issued by the Care Hospital, the claimant was admitted on 16/1/2009 stop. However, as per the FIR and charge sheet, the accident occurred on 18/1/2009, which shows that the claimant got treatment on 16/1/2009 prior to the date of the accident. As such, the insurance company is not liable to pay compensation stop.